Lance tastes. Ayaw niya ng peanut butter. For some reason, this kid doesn't like peanut. Ah, sorry. Oo, ito na, ito na. Gusto niya talaga. Melon, ano yan? It's pancake chips. For poppers. Hindi lang melon kasi kakatapos mo lang kumain. For ingredient pancake. Oh, no, 3 only pala. Kasi we didn't add water. Ay. Kat mo talaga. You like it? You like it? I guess she likes it. Ba't mo dinner? Ay, no video. Sorry. Privacy reasons. So, ayaw mo yung squares? Gusto mo lang yung rectangles? Ay, yung triangles? Triangle. Triangle nga yung gusto. Ayaw ng square. Then, let's throw it away na. Dinura mo na yan, Lon. Okay? You're such a weird kid. Kailangan pala sa kamay ko. Kailangan ko pala hawakan. Ang cute mo. Cute mo. Cutie.